Welcome children. I hope by the background you might have understood what we are going to discuss here. Here you may have noticed I have written conversion of unit. Okay, when you are going to deal with the large numbers, you must know how to convert from one unit to another unit. But here only which thing we can do with the same type of measurement. Like if we are looking about the length, we can convert from bigger to smaller or smaller to bigger. For time, we can go for smaller to bigger or bigger to smaller. Like that we can do this conversion. And for that you know that from your previous knowledge, the conversion between rupee and paisa, like the conversion between time, then conversion between lengths, mass, capacity, etc. And I want to take you to that particular point where you will get that summarized one. Okay, if I am arranging all these units, okay, for measurement of the length, I am not talking about paisa, I am not talking about time, all this, I am just talking about the capacity, length and mass. These three things, how you can put them in a smallest way and in a simplest way. So for that you can follow, I am writing it here, kilo, heka, deka, then in between it can be gram, it can be meter, it can be liter. Any of them it can be. Gram for mass, m that means meter for length, and L for capacity, that is liter. Okay, then kilo, heka, deka, then deci, then centi, then milli. Okay, if I am using these suffix like gram, meter or liter, it will be more clear for you. Like if I am putting gram, for if I am looking for the weight or the mass, here I can write kilogram, hectogram, decagram, decigram, centigram, milligram. You must be aware about this one, that gram, milligram, kilogram. Okay, for your understanding, have you ever noticed the tablets we used to take? Have you ever noticed the weight of this one tablet? It is only a few milligram. But if your parents are bringing that groceries, have you ever seen that in packet of that, suppose let it take a sugar packet. Have you noticed what has been written over there? Kilogram, like 1 kilogram, 2 kilogram. Like that packet of rice, have you ever noticed? It can be 25 kilogram. So you might have that idea of how much is 1 kilogram and how much is 1 milligram. Yes, the weight of medicine we can go for milligram, but weight of rice your parents are bringing in a sack, that is kilogram. It will be measured in kilogram. So kilogram is the higher, the bigger unit for measuring the bigger amount, and milligram is for smaller amount. Okay, so let's come to some of the questions. With these questions we will go for the conversion also. Okay, before we go to that part, let me tell you how you can go for this one. Yes, this is the basic concept we have, that kilo, heka, deca, then deci, centi, milli. In between we will have this basic concept for gram for mass, m for measurement, the length, and L for capacity, that is liter. Okay, suppose you have asked 1 kg equal to how many gram. What you can do? Easiest way. How many places we are moving towards the right hand side? Here it is 1, 2, 3. That means if I am multiplying that 1 for 1 kg, if I am multiplying this one with the 1000, that means how many places we are moving towards the right side, that means zeros will be there. So that is equal to 1000 gram. Now if I am moving from gram to milligram, okay, if you have asked 1 gram equal to how many milligram, what you will do? Again we will use the same concept. How? From gram, how many places to go to milligram? 1, 2, 3. So what I will do here, again it is 1 gram, so 1 I am putting here, and to move up to milligram I will multiply with, as it have 3 places, so I will multiply this one by 1000. So what I am getting, it is 1000 milligram. Now this is, you are moving from bigger to smaller. That means that kilogram to milligram. Now, what will happen if you have to present the smaller unit in bigger unit? Okay, let's take an example of, if I am writing here that 1 milligram equal to how many gram? What you will do in this case? So here you can see, as I want to convert 1 milligram to gram, so what I will do, just I will go to the reverse position. That means from here to I will come to this side. That means I will move towards the left hand side. So when I will move from left hand side, that means smaller to bigger, what I will do, here I will go for division. So how many places I am getting? 1, 2, 3. 3 places I have to move. So here in this case I will do 1 by 1000 gram. So what you will get, you can write it is 1 by 1000 gram, or if you want to present this one in decimal, so it will be 0.001 gram. Okay, now for your basic ideas, let's take gram to kilogram. Suppose your parent has bought any something of let it be 5 gram, some of the materials he or she has taken 5 gram. Now you have asked to present this one in kg. How many kg it will be? 5 gram stands for how many kg? What you will do? Okay, so from gram to where to move? Kg. So how many places you are moving? 1, 2, 3. How many places? 1, 2, 3. So what you will write? 5 into 1 by 1000. So what will be your answer? 5 by 1000 kg. That stands for what? 0.005. That many kg. I hope you are clear about this concept. Okay, so let's move to the exercise, and I think you can solve the questions given based on that. Hope for the best. Let's try. Otherwise, we will meet again.